Pancakes. Pancakes, coming pancakes. So I'll tell you what to do now. I got all my ingredients. Let's get cooking. Pour it in the bowl. Get in the bowl. So I poured it in. Now I need to mix it. I'll pour the water in. So I need to pour the water in here. Okay, or you nice and true. And mix and mix and do my thing. Then mix and I'm putting the vanilla in. You better don't get on me. And mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Now it's time to cook them. It looks like rice. That was a little bit of water. I'm gonna put the butter on the griddle.
Keep going. Pour it all out.
So I'm just waiting for the bubbles to come on top. You're gonna be careful because it's hot. I'm gonna see it if it's good. Steady, go! It's nice and golden brown. Yes. Very good.